Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Challenger mirror. Before we begin, it's crucial to prepare. First, disconnect your car's negative battery cable to prevent any electrical issues. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a screwdriver set, specialized trim removal tools, and an 8mm socket wrench. Of course, have your new mirror ready. Remember to wear safety gloves and glasses for protection throughout the entire process. Now, let's get to removing the door panel. First, lower your window all the way down. This is essential for accessing the mirror's wiring. Use your trim tools to carefully pry off any small plastic caps or trim pieces, revealing hidden screws. Once all screws are out, gently pry the door panel itself, releasing the clips. Lift the panel straight up and away, then disconnect any electrical connectors and the door latch rod. With the door panel off, we can now detach the old mirror. Reach inside the door cavity to find the mirror's electrical wiring harness. Disconnect the main electrical connector and any small clips holding the wire in place. Next, you'll see 3 8mm nuts securing the mirror to the door frame. Carefully remove these nuts with your socket wrench, making sure to support the mirror so it doesn't fall. Finally, squeeze the plastic clip, barbs with needle nose pliers to fully release the mirror. Installing your new mirror is essentially the reverse of removal. First, carefully feed the new mirror's wiring harness through the door opening. Align the mirror with the 3 mounting holes and hand-tighten the 8mm nuts, then fully secure them. Reconnect the electrical harness and resecure any wiring clips. Now, reattach the door latch rod and all electrical connectors to the door panel. Finally, align the door panel, push it firmly to engage all clips, and reinstall all screws and trim pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.